Ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through streaming platforms, lost in a sea of content, wishing there was a place dedicated to the kind of shows you actually crave? A place where the dramas are smart, the comedies are witty, and the documentaries are genuinely captivating? Well, if you're yearning for quality television, you've probably heard whispers of a streaming service called Acorn TV. But the big question is, how do you actually access it? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's talk a little bit about why you might want to access Acorn TV in the first place. Think of Acorn as your curated collection of the best British and international television. We're talking critically acclaimed dramas, laugh-out-loud comedies, intriguing mysteries, and thought-provoking documentaries, all handpicked for discerning viewers. It's a haven for those who appreciate intelligent storytelling and high-quality productions, a refreshing alternative to the often overwhelming expanse of mainstream streaming. If you're tired of sifting through endless options only to find yourself disappointed, Acorn TV offers a more refined and focused experience. So, you're intrigued, right? You're ready to explore the world of Acorn TV. Great! Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually access this treasure trove of television goodness? The good news is, accessing Acorn TV is easier than you might think. They've made it available on a wide range of devices, so you can enjoy your favorite shows wherever you are. Let's break down the primary ways you can access Acorn TV. First and foremost, Acorn TV has its own dedicated app. This is often the most convenient way to access the service. You can download the Acorn TV app on a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and streaming devices. Think of your iPhone, your Android tablet, your Samsung Smart TV, your Roku stick, your Amazon Fire TV. Chances are, Acorn TV has an app for it. The process is usually pretty straightforward. You go to the App Store on your device, whether it's the Apple App Store, the Google Play Store, the Roku Channel Store, or the Amazon App Store, and you search for Acorn TV. Once you find it, you simply download and install the app. It's just like downloading any other app. Once the app is installed, you'll need to create an account or sign in if you already have one. Creating an account is usually a quick process. You'll typically need to provide an email address and create a password. You might also be asked for some basic information, like your name and location. Don't worry, this is standard procedure for most streaming services. Now, here's where the magic happens. After you've created your account or signed in, you'll usually be offered a free trial. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore Acorn TV's library and see if it's the right fit for you. The length of the free trial can vary, so keep an eye out for the specifics. If you decide to continue your subscription after the free trial, you'll need to choose a subscription plan. Acorn TV typically offers different subscription options, such as monthly or annual plans. An annual subscription often comes with a discounted rate, so it's worth considering if you plan on using the service long-term. Now, let's say you don't want to download a separate app. No problem. You can also access Acorn TV through their website. Simply open your web browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge, and go to acorn.tv. This will take you to the Acorn TV website, where you can browse the library, manage your account, and, of course, watch your favorite shows. The website interface is generally very user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble navigating it. Another way to access Acorn TV, and this is becoming increasingly common, is through other streaming platforms. Sometimes, Acorn TV is offered as a channel or add-on within larger streaming services. For example, you might find Acorn TV as an add-on channel on Amazon Prime Video channels. This can be a convenient option if you already subscribe to these platforms, as it keeps all your streaming content in one place. You can usually access Acorn TV content directly through the main platform's interface. So, to recap the main ways to access Acorn TV, you can download the dedicated Acorn TV app on your devices, visit the Acorn TV website, or access it as an add-on channel through other streaming platforms. Now, let's talk about the devices you can use to access Acorn TV. As mentioned earlier, Acorn TV is available on a wide range of devices. This includes smartphones and tablets running iOS and Android, smart TVs from various manufacturers, streaming devices like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and Apple TV, and of course, your computer through a web browser. The specific devices supported can vary slightly, so it's always a good idea to check the Acorn TV website or your device's app store for the most up-to-date list of compatible devices. One thing to keep in mind is that you'll need a stable internet connection to stream Acorn TV. The quality of your streaming experience will depend on your internet speed. A faster internet connection will generally result in smoother playback and higher video quality. If you're experiencing buffering or lagging, it might be a good idea to check your internet connection. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of content can I expect to find on Acorn TV? Well, that's a great question. Acorn TV is known for its curated selection of British and international television. You'll find a wide variety of genres, including dramas, comedies, mysteries, documentaries, and more. They often feature popular British shows that you might not find anywhere else, as well as acclaimed international productions. Think of shows like Doc Martin, Line of Duty, Midsummer Murders, Broadchurch, and many more. They also have a growing library of original content, so there's always something new to discover. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about accessing Acorn TV. We've covered the different ways to access the service, the devices you can use, and what kind of content you can expect to find. Hopefully, this has answered all your questions and you're now ready to dive into the world of Acorn TV. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.